Are you watching your practice in G-Force? Did you memorize the steps?
Can you sing Camilla's Blogger?
Okay. Camila, you have to prepare na. We're going somewhere later. Stop the cell phone. You have to change your clothes. We're going with Ate Kaylee. Okay?
Okay.
Be ready, okay? High five. Today will be a long day, hindi dahil meron na naman kaming travel. Sort of, may gala, yes. Lumaba siya dahil marami kang kailangan pa ng responsibilities as a parent. So may therapy si Kaylee ng 3 p.m. Then sunduin ko siya. We're going to an Airbnb later, so pakita ko sa inyo yun. Honestly, hindi pa tapos yung araw namin nun. Make sure to finish your food kasi you have therapy later. I'll pick you up and then we'll go to Airbnb. Okay, Kaylee? Alright, check natin ang bag ng dalawa kung kompleto ang gamit. What do you want to eat? You want kwek-kwek? But we'll try and find one. We'll try and find one if you see one.
There's still some cars. Oh man, we didn't get to find one.
After this, we'll try and find kwek-kwek. Therapy is upstairs. Go, go, go. Sit up muna. Sit there. Behave.
My name is Camilla. We're going to Click. We're gonna get a room. Where's mommy? But it's so traffic.
It's not.
Not traffic anymore. We're going. I need a seat belt. Where's our space? Here.
So yan, kami muna ni Camila ngayon. Dito kami sa Lifestyle Strip, which is landmark dito sa Santo Tomas, Batangas. Mga stall, mga outlets. Ayun, ko muna si Kaylee sa therapy. Hindi lahat ng araw mapipili mo yung mga gusto mong gawin eh. As parents, marami na these are responsibilities. So unahin mo siya dahil kailangan. While waiting no, napa-reflect ako. Dati, mga baby pa lang sila. Doon mo ma-realize gano'ng kabilis nagbabago yung buhay, no? Ayun, school na sila. Tapos ngayon, dami na kailangan gawin. Attend ng voice lesson, attend ng G-Force, attend ng therapy this time. Minsan may mga tutoring session pa sila. Ang babata pa nila, dami nilang responsibilities. And of course, kailangan kasama kami doon. You want ramen?
Yes. Or the hunter. Rumi, Mira, and Zoe.
Demon Hunters.
What's Rumi's pizza team in?
Mine is melon.
Melon. My favorite's my strawberry. Can you open it?
Yep, of course. Yummy.
Yeah. Yummy ice cream. What's your flavor?
Melon.
What's my flavor?
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
You need 5 pesos. Here. Oh. Okay, you do it.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, you lost. It's okay.
It's okay.
What are you doing?
We're waiting for the Kaylee.
We'll go ahead and fetch at Kaylee from her therapy sessions. We'll go straight to our Airbnb. Are you excited, Camilla?
Yes! Hooray!
Hooray! We'll find one. It's gonna be cold if we buy right away. Ate wants to find some kwek-kwek, so let's go.
I like that.
Kwek-kwek, their favorite.
I like that.
Medyo matraffic, so matagal kami makarating sa Airbnb namin. And these two kids, they are sobrang kulit. There's too kulit in the car. But we'll try and find the next stopover, gas station, so we can eat. So what do you guys want to eat? Something in the convenience store, but we need to eat real food.
You need to talk first to me.
Get out na, get out. Go inside the treats.
Hey!
We only eat healthy food and dinner.
Beef noodles lang sir, tapos isa po.
Tapos separate na siomai.
For dining po ba?
That's how much? Is that your post? Again. Dito na kami sa aming Airbnb. Cute little room naman siya. Ang ganda ng pagkaka-design. May sofa, may bed. Kasya naman kami dyan kasi mga kids naman. May closet, may balcony, painting, and some cabinets, and kompleto naman ng mga gamit. May tip box pa, oh. And yan, for water, for May microwave. Condiments pala. Pwede magluto. We'll go outside. So, mag-convenience store to mga kids. So, see you later. Good morning, Camilla.
I sleep well.
Wait for our food. Food Panda. Are you hungry? It's Jesus.
Jesus. Food.
It's hot.
My hands are cold.
So, out na kami dun sa Airbnb na namin dito sa Field Residence, dito sa likod ng Sukat. SM Sukat. Palabas na ako sa parking. Sundan ko na yung mag-iina ko. And then, dito na kami sa G-Force practice week 2 ng dalawang kids. Tapos bukas, lagari din kasi may G-Force pa rin. Tapos may voice lesson naman yung dalawa. Talagang yung buong weekends namin mag-asawa, ng mga kids, really spent in kids activities. Tapos balik ko din ng work pagdating ng Monday. Camila! We're now here in
G-Force.
Festival Mall for Camila's G-Force.
Play.
The river.
I need to order first.
What flavor?
Cheese.
The chicken? Okay, that chicken.
Yeah.
So we just finished Kelly and Camila's G-Force practice. And tomorrow pala hindi kayo makaka-attend, Kelly. You know why? You have voice naman. You'll be singing, you'll be doing your recital. You're so busy. Can you still keep up?
I have 4 classes at once. My first one is the one I usually go to, SDA. The second one is my voice lessons. I sing there to train my voice. The third one is the dance lessons, which I just go to. I have to dance and stuff. The last one is my therapy. My therapy is the most annoying and a boring place
Why?
because there's nothing to do other than play and learn.
Born the kings of angel, let us adore you. Time to go home. Finally can go home.
Hey, Kelly, I need to vlog. Hello, everyone. My name is Camilla. We're going home into the Philippines. So, like, subscribe. Bye-bye.